A lot of people have been direct messaging me, asking me what they should choose for a career, how to make more money, and I'm here. This is actually 96 acres of land I just bought in Virginia. Long-term real estate investment that I just made. It's cool down there. It's got a log cabin from the 1830s on it. But here's my answer. For most people, there's a few exceptions, I recommend two things. Number one, create your own business, even if it's only part-time and you have another career. Never rely on only one source of income. It's too dangerous. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Number two, take the profits or some of the profits and invest them in real estate. I've always been a part-time real estate investor. I've never been a full-time because I've always been doing businesses that have created the cash flow. But then you invest in real estate. Why real estate? Well, they're not making any more of it. That's what they say about land and real estate. So the demand will go up as the human population goes up. Second thing is everybody needs a place to stay. It's the most in-demand business that you can get in. So there's been more millionaires created by real estate, and a lot of the programs that I create online, the free ones, the paid ones that I have, are on those two subjects. You know, creating a business. There's multiple ways to do it. I've been teaching people how to make money with social media, how to run social media for businesses and get them to pay you $1,000 to $10,000 a month. It's been working amazing. You probably see on my Snapchat and Instagram all the stories of people's success. Now, not everybody's successful. My lawyers want me to say that. Some people don't make any money. Some people don't put in the time. But it works for a lot of people that actually put in the time and don't procrastinate and follow through. And then I've also got this real estate program that I built with a full-time real estate investor, Cole Hatter, one of my business partners, on how you can invest in real estate and even start, because the thing is, you've got to start somewhere, you know? So if you want to learn more about my programs, I'm going to put a link below or above. You can start out with some free training on how to start your own business. I recommend, if you don't know what to do, try social media. Social media is a great way to make money, and I'll show you how you can get small businesses where you live or other places to pay you $1 to 10 grand a month to manage their Instagram, their Twitter, do some video stuff for them. They don't know how to do it. They'll pay you. So click the link above or below, and it's absolutely free. You don't got to put a credit card in. You can get started with the free training. I also have some paid courses you can do if you're really interested. But start with the free stuff. See if it interests you. Don't procrastinate. Make sure you invest in real assets like land, businesses, not just things that rust, rot, and depreciate, or else all you'll do is make other people wealthy. You know, that's what most people do. They buy fast food, they make their landlord wealthy, and there's nothing wrong with that in stages, but you gotta have a long-term plan that's beyond that. So just get your first property, and there's a way right now, there's a trend, a new trend, relatively new, where you can flip homes without even owning them. So if you don't have much cash, you can actually flip the property. It's called wholesaling. I just call it, to keep it simple, flipping homes, flipping real estate contracts. You flip the contract. You don't even have to own the land. Sometimes you want to own the land. Sometimes you just flip the real estate contract to somebody else who will actually do it. And you can do that with very little money. And you don't need a great credit score and stuff like that. So that's my advice. Get out there, create some extra cash flow, an extra source of income. Don't just rely on one. And number two, buy a house. Get a rental property. It can be a cheap little house. So if you want to learn more about this, click the link below. You'll see, it should be somewhere here, 2 different programs. You can learn about both of them or just one of them. I highly recommend you consider either making money with social media, it's one of the cutting edge trends, or with real estate. Real estate is old school, but old school sometimes is the best, you know? So yeah, click the link above or below. In the middle of the US, like Kansas and stuff, people buying houses 40, 50, 60 grand, you know, that are returning. People are paying rent $600, $700, $800 on it. Now you gotta look for the deals because you can lose money in real estate. But anyway, I'm gonna put a link below to these courses, okay? I highly recommend, click on them. I got 2 courses, social media marketing agency. If that interests you, start your own business part-time, get businesses to pay you $1 to 10 grand a month, and I also have another course, this real estate flipping program. Click the link, it's absolutely free. I got free training on my website. You can start out with the free training. If you're very interested, I got some paid advanced VIP training you can do too. So click the link below or above, and yeah, I'll see you over on my website.